wrong, they walk in his way.
Having down precepts, it had to be fully obeyed.
Oh, that my ways are steadfast and obeying your decree.
Not like then I will not be put to shame when I consider your command.
I will praise you with an upright heart as I learn your righteous law.
I will obey your decrees, do not utterly forsake me.
Well, how can a young man keep his way pure by living according to your word?
I seek you with all my heart, do not let me stray from your commands.
I have hidden your word in my heart that I might not sin against you.
Praise be to you, O Lord, teach me your decrees.
With my lips I recount all the laws that come from your mouth.
I rejoice in following your statutes, as one rejoices in great riches.
I meditate on your precepts and consider your ways.
I delight in your decrees, I will not be put to shame.
Amen. Do good to your servants, and I will live, I will obey your word.
Open my eyes that I may see wonderful things in your law.
I am a stranger on earth, do not hide your commands from me.
My soul is consuming longing for your laws at all times.
You rebuke the arrogant to a curse and slay from your command.
Remove from me scorn and contempt, for I keep your statutes.
So rulers sit together and slander me, your servants will meditate on your decrees.
Your statutes are my delight, they are my counselors.
That is, I am laid low in the dust, preserve my life according to your word.
Open my eyes, I recount my ways, and you answer me, teach me your decrees.
Let me understand the teaching of your precepts, then I will meditate on your wonders.
My soul is weary with sorrow, strengthen me according to your word.
Keep me from deceitful ways, be gracious to me through your law.
I have chosen the way of truth, I have set my heart on your law.
I hold fast your statutes, O Lord, do not let me be put to shame.
I run in the path of your commands, for you have set my heart on thee.
Hey, teach me your law to follow your decrees, then I will keep them to the end.
Give me understanding, and I will keep your law and obey it with all my heart.
Direct me in the path of your commands, for that I find delight.
Turn my heart towards your statutes and not towards selfish gain.
Turn my eyes away from worthless things, preserve my life according to your word.
Fulfill your promise to your servant, so that you may be feared.
Take away the disgrace I read, for your laws are good.
How I long for your precepts. Preserve my life in your righteousness.
Wow, may your unfailing love come to me, O Lord, your salvation according to your promise.
Then I will answer the one who talks me, for I trust in your word.
Do not snatch the word of truth from my mouth, for I put my hope in your laws.
I will always obey your laws forever and ever.
Though the arrogant have mocked me without restraints, I will not turn from your law.
I will speak of your statutes before kings and will not be put to shame.
For I delight in your commands because I love them.
I lift up my hands to your commands which I love, and meditate on your decrees.
Sigh and remember your word to your servant, for you have given me hope.
My comfort in suffering is this, your promise preserves my life.
Though the arrogant mock me without restraint, I will not turn from your law.
I will remember your ancient laws, O Lord, and I find comfort in them.
Indignation with me because of the fear of forsaking your law.
At midnight I rise to give you thanks for your righteous law.
In the night I remember your name, O Lord, and I will keep your law.
This has been my practice, I obey your precepts.
And you are my portion, O Lord, I have promised to obey your word.
Sought your face with all my heart, be gracious to me according to your promise.
I have considered my ways and have turned myself to your statute.
I will hasten and not delay to obey your commands.
Though the wicked bind me with ropes, I do not forget your law.
At midnight I rise to give you thanks for your righteous laws.
I am a friend to all who fear you, to all who follow your precepts.
Earth is filled with the love, O Lord, and teach me your decrees.
Hence, do good to your servant according to your word, O Lord.
Teach me knowledge and good judgment, for I believe in your commands.
Before I was afflicted, I went astray, but now I obey your word.
You are good, and what you do is good. Teach me your decrees.
Though the arrogant have near me with lies, I keep your precepts with all my heart.
Their hearts are careless and unfeeling, but I delight in your law.
It was good for me to be afflicted, so that I might learn your decrees.
The law from your mouth is more precious to me than thousands of pieces of silver and gold.
Behold, your hand made me and formed me, give me an understanding that I may live.
May those who fear you rejoice when they see me, for I have put my hope in your word.
I know, O Lord, that your laws are righteous, and in faithfulness you have afflicted me.
May your unfailing love be my comfort according to your promise to your servant.
Let your compassion come to me, that I may live, for your law is my delight.
May the arrogant be put to shame wrongingly without cause.
May those who fear you turn to me, those who understand your statutes.
May my heart be blameless towards your decrees, that I may not be put to shame.
My soul faints with longing for your salvation, that I put my hope in your word.
My eyes fail looking for your promise, I say, when will you comfort me?
Though I am like a wineskin in the smoke, I will not forget your law.
How long must your servant wait? When will you punish my persecutors?
The arrogant take pitfalls for me, contrary to your law.
All your commands are trustworthy, but help me, for men persecute me without cause.
They almost wiped me from the earth, but I have not forsaken your precepts.
Preserve my life according to your promise, and I will obey the statutes of your mouth.
Lamb, your word, O Lord, is eternal, it stands firm in the heavens.
Your faithfulness continues to all generations. You have established the earth and its endure.
Your laws endure to this day, for all things serve you.
If your law had not been my delight, I would have perished in my affliction.
I will never forget your precepts, for by them you have preserved my life.
Save me, for I am yours, and sought out your precepts.
The wicked are waiting to destroy me, but I will wander your statutes.
All perfection I see in it, but your commands are boundless.
And oh, how I love your law, I meditate on it all day long.
Your commands make me worse than enemies, for they are ever with me.
I have more insight than all my teachers, for I meditate on your statutes. depart so that I may obey your word.
I have not departed from your law, for you yourself have taught me.
How sweet are your words to my taste, sweeter than honey to my mouth.
I gain understanding from your precepts. Therefore I hate every wrong path.
Now your word is a lamp to my feet and a light to my path.
I have taken an oath that apart from this, I will follow your righteous laws.
I have suffered much, preserve my life, O Lord, according to your law.
Accept the Lord, the very praise of my mouth, and teach me your laws.
Though I constantly take my life in my hands, I will not forget your law.
The wicked have set a snare for me, but I have not strayed from your precepts.
Your statutes are my heritage forever, they are the joy of my heart.
My heart is set on keeping your decrees to the very end.
Simon, I hate double-minded men, but I love your law.
You are my refuge and my shield. I have put my hope in your word.
Away from you, evildoers, that I may keep the commands of my God.
Sustain me according to your promise, and I will live. I will obey your laws.
Uphold me, and I will be delivered. Do not let my hopes be dashed.
Reject those who stray from your decrees, for the deceitfulness is in vain.
All the wicked of the earth you discard like dross, therefore I love your statutes.
My flesh turns in fear of you. I stand in awe of your laws.
I have done all this righteous and just. Do not leave me to my oppressors.
Ensure your servants let me, let not the arrogant oppress me.
My eyes fail looking for your salvation, looking for your righteous promise.
May the arrogant be put to shame. Deal with your servants according to your love and teach me your decrees.
I am your servant, give me discernment that I may understand your statutes.
It is time for you to act to law, for your law is not obeyed.
Because I love your commands more than gold, more than pure gold.
Because I consider all your precepts right, I hate every wrong path.
Your statutes are wonderful, therefore I obey them.
The unfolding of your word gives light, it gives understanding to the simple.
I will open my mouth and pant, longing for your commands.
Turn to me and have mercy on me, as you always do to me. Love your name.
Direct my footsteps according to your word, let no sin rule over me.
Redeem me from the oppression of men, and I will obey your precepts.
Make your face shine upon your servant and teach me your decrees.
Streams of tears flow from my eyes, where law is not obeyed.
Sadi, righteous are you, O Lord, and your laws are right.
The statutes you have laid down are righteous, they are fully trustworthy.
My zeal bears me out, my enemies ignore your word.
Your promises have been thoroughly tested, therefore your servant loves them.
Though I am lowly and despised, I do not forget your law.
Your righteousness is everlasting, and your law is true.
Trouble and distress have come upon me, but your commands are my delight.
Your statutes are forever right. Give me understanding and I will live.
If I call with all my heart, answer me, O Lord, and I will obey your decrees.
I call out to you, save me, and I will keep your statutes.
Arise before dawn and cry for help. I put my hope in your word.
My eyes take open to the watches of the night, and I will meditate on your promises.
Hear my voice in accordance with your law. Preserve my life, O Lord, according to your love.
Those who devise wicked schemes are near, but they are far from your law.
Yes, you are near, O Lord, and your laws are true.
Long ago I learned from your statutes that you established them to last forever.
Fresh, look upon my suffering and deliver me, for I have not forgotten your law.
Defend my cause and deliver me. Preserve my life according to your promise.
Salvation is far from your gate, for they do not keep out your decrees.
Your compassion is great to love. Preserve my life according to your laws.
Many are the foes who persecute me, but I have not done from your statutes.
I look upon the faithless of those, for they do not obey your word.
See how I love your precepts. Preserve my life, O Lord, according to your love.
All your words are true. All your righteous laws are eternal.
Sin and shame, rulers persecute me without cause. My heart trembles at your word.
I rejoice in your promises like one who finds great spoil.
I hate and abhor falsehood, but I love your law.
7 times a day I praise you for your righteous laws.
Great peace have they who love your law, and nothing can make them stumble.
I wait for your salvation, Lord. I wait for your salvation, O Lord, and I follow your commands.
I obey your statutes, but I love them greatly.
I obey your precepts and your statutes, for all my ways are known to you.
So may my cry come before you, O Lord, give me understanding according to your word.
May my supplication come before you and deliver me according to your promise.
May my lips overflow with praise, and for you teach me your decrees.
May my tongue sing